What if the pain you survived quietly made you one of the most intelligent people in any room? Not book smart, not test smart, something far deeper. Psychology calls it traumatic intelligence, and most people who carry it have no idea they even have it. Here are 5 signs that you do. 1. You read people before they speak. You notice the pause before someone answers, the slight shift in their tone, the eyes that say something different from the mouth. Most people never develop this skill because they never had to. But your mind was trained in environments where reading people was not a choice. It was survival. Psychology calls this hypervigilance. What was once your shield has quietly become your superpower. 2. You feel everything deeper than others. When something hurts you, it does not just hurt. It goes somewhere deep and stays there. And when something makes you happy, that happiness feels rare, almost fragile, like something you are afraid to fully trust. This is not sensitivity. This is a nervous system that learned to feel everything completely because sometimes emotions were the only truth available to you. 3. You become calm when everything falls apart. When crisis hits, something shifts inside you. While others panic, you focus. You think 3 steps ahead. You start quietly holding things together that others do not even notice are falling. Trauma in its darkest form teaches the mind a kind of strategic thinking no classroom ever could. You do not just survive difficult moments. You navigate them. 4. Injustice disturbs you on a deep level. When something unfair happens, even to a stranger, you cannot simply look away. You cannot pretend it is fine. This is because you know exactly what it feels like when something wrong happens and nobody speaks up. Your own pain taught you empathy. And now something inside you refuses to stay silent when it matters. 5. You want to trust, but cannot fully. You want to trust people deeply. But somewhere at the back of your mind, a quiet voice always asks, is this real? Will this last? This is not paranoia. This is your mind asking for proof before it opens fully. Because at some point trust was broken in a way that left a permanent mark. That is not damage. That is wisdom earned the hardest way. Traumatic intelligence is real. The way you read rooms, feel deeply, stay calm in chaos, fight for justice, and protect your trust, none of this came from nowhere. It was built by your story. And your story, no matter how painful, made you one of the most emotionally aware humans alive. If this felt personal, like this video, comment which sign felt most like you. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And subscribe. This channel was made for minds like yours.